I'm Lloyd with Roberts Electric. I'm going to show you how to use your IP 4000 fire alarm panel. It's a real basic fire alarm system. What you're going to have to do with this is very minimal. This is a fully addressable system, so if a pull station goes off or a smoke detector, it's going to tell you exactly where that device is with the description on the LCD display. The main thing is if it goes an alarm, don't touch it. Just let it ring till the fire department gets here and let them do their thing. Let them turn it off. If you turn it off, they could potentially give you a fine or whatever. You just don't want to go there with them. Just let them come in, let them do their thing. And when they walk the building and see there's no fire, they'll silence it and they'll shut it off. There'll be a map here, so if something shows up, you can look at the map and it'll show you the address of that device and where it is in the building. And your building is equipped with a BDA system, which is a radio amplification system for the fire department. This system monitors it, and that's what just came in right now. They're having a component problem with the BDA, and it just came into supervisory. Again, if that goes into supervisory, it is a supervisory. It is not a signal that the central station will dispatch on. So it will, nobody will come if a supervisory happens. So at that point, you can look at the panel, see what the supervisory is. More than likely, it's going to be a tamper switch on your sprinkler system, something with your BDA, or something going on with your generator. So really, and if it restores, it'll restore itself on the panel. It'll clear itself. So troubles, you can look at troubles, you can look at supervisories, and you can act on them, trying to figure out what's going on with them or call somebody for service. But as far as this goes for an alarm, leave it alone. Let the fire department do their thing. So basically that's it on this thing. You do have a AES radio, which is going to be monitoring your system. This communicates with this, so whatever happens here goes to the radio and it sends a signal out on the mesh network and it calls the central station. Then the central station dispatches the fire department. We will set up a call list on it, so whoever's the facility manager is and stuff like that, they'll be like the first one that the central station calls as far as like troubles and stuff like that, or anything that happens with the building. They'll give you a call anyway and say, hey, there's an issue with the building. That might be like, and it always seems to happen like at 2 o'clock in the morning. So, but anyway, this has its own battery in it, and it's powered with a transformer here, which plugs into an outlet, which is powered from the main panel. So if you lose power here, you're going to lose power here, which you'll lose power here, and then you'll get a trouble on your LCD display telling you that you have AC power loss. It monitors your battery and everything else. So that's your communicator. This here is your RATH system. This is there's a call box at every elevator lobby except the first floor. Basically what it is if somebody pushes it, it'll ring here first, and if nobody picks it up, then it'll call the central station. And at the call box at the elevator, you'll be able to talk, have two-way communication with the central station. And there'll be a recording on there, so when they pick it up, they'll know exactly what floor you're on, what address you're at, and then at that point they'll be like, do you need assistance? And basically what it is, if somebody gets hurt or falls down, they can always push that button and they'll be able to talk to somebody. And they'll be able to send them out. We do some of them in Denver, and some of the drunk people try to order pizzas. But anyway, that's your RAS system, your area of refuge system. It's very basic. You can pick up here and you can talk to the actual call box as well. So if there's somebody here that's like a 24 hours facility or something, they'd be able to pick up and talk to that person on the floor and push the button. And if nobody answers, like it says, then it calls the central station. And this is completely battery backed up as well, so if you lose AC power, there's a UPS that will keep power to it so it's fully operational. All these are battery backed up. This is battery backed up. You have power supplies on each floor, which drive your horns and strobes throughout the building. Those are all battery backed up as well, and monitored through P-Link on here. So if anything does happen on any of those power supplies, the panel will see it and let you know exactly which one is having the issue. So basically that's it. You got any questions? Nope.
Not right now.
Okay. So yeah, that's it.